live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
Good morning. Hey, good morning, OFT. Oof. I was deciding whether or not to stream today, actually. Kind of tired and I gotta leave early. Dentist appointment. Isn't that fun? Lucky me. But why not? Let's see what's going on. Any OFT calls? Your last couple were very good guidance. We're bumping up into previous day's high. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. Wow. NFP did a nice, gave it a nice push. Let's see what it looks like on the daily. The daily looks strong. I was telling that to Joker yesterday. The daily looks strong. Broke the 50. I think we're going to see more continuation to the upside. Okay, go back to the 15 again. We just broke the high of the Asian session. We're above previous day's close in VWAP, and we are bouncing up into the previous day's high. Not a surprise that we see a rotation lower for now. 12 points average range on the 1-minute candles. That's pretty decent for 921. And that's it. Let me go set up my algo to trade. I'm going to be trading very conservatively today, maybe just one account because I got to leave early. Short to 20K is planned, but not a good one. I don't know. VWAP's down there. Previous day's closes there. Gap fill. Is there a gap fill? Yeah, that'll be a gap fill, definitely. Where is the, holy shit, the previous day's close is far away. 19,797. Well, how about an attempted gap fill? Shorting right now. Yeah, just under the previous day's high. I like it. Edit strategy. Template. Load. Morning. We're going to run it on sim. Do a lot size of 5. Okay. Enable it. Sim 101. Recycle 211 is my stop. Open, push, and fail. Let us see, data candles. Wow, that was an interesting symbol. Pay late, 50-50. Ah, yeah, okay, yeah, I thought data candle play 50-50. You know what, I gotta turn something off here, because, yeah, it's blocking the data candle. Yeah, that's another play too. I remember there was a guy, Doji, he used to play, good luck to you too. He used to play the IFVG for a retrace back down to the data candle, well in this case the data candle low. Yeah, no phone. I Did not do my sound test. Sounds good. All's good. Let's change the music and lower it just so it's in my ear. Lo-fi. Lo-fi properties. Browse. The Spanish music is a little too there we go. At the perfect level so I can hear it. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? Wait for the open. Set up the Bulenox master account. And set the lot size to 3. 3 is a good lot size. Let's see what we get. Everything is bullish right now. Can't justify taking a short the way I trade, and I'm not counter trend trading. That's good, but that's hot. Tea takes a long time to cool down. I don't know. Coffee cools down in 20 seconds. My tea, an hour later, it's still burning hot. Four minutes to open. Yeah, not gonna do that. Well, maybe we'll watch the opening drive, just see what it does. But I stopped paying attention to it. I think I'm going to remove the folder also in the Discord. The swings are too wide. I mean, giving back 100 points, 80 points, just to get stopped out. That's a lot of points to give back, especially with trailing drawdown. It's not, I would say, I guess, not really a very viable system, even though that it's making money. Okay, you're enabled, so let's see what we get from you. That's crazy. I'm kind of supposed to take the entry. We get a bullish candle here. Let's make them a little wider. But taking it before 928. 928, we have the, what do they call it? The imbalance report. Shit, I forgot to take meds. I have a headache. There we go. Didn't really see much of a spike there, but sometimes there is one. So we're bouncing off previous day's high. If we get above it, it's pretty much clear skies for me, in my opinion. Let's again look at the 15-minute chart. Yeah, if we get above the previous day's high, there's nothing to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the whole week. I mean, sure, there's data to the left if we go far back, but I don't go that far back. So it'll be interesting to see what the day gives us. Where do we go here? Let me see again. One last time before the markets open, above the Asia highs. We never swept the Asia session lows. We're right at the London session highs. That's the blue box. Asia is the gray box. We did rotate lower off a bounce off the previous day's high, which I say is a very consistent trade and happens often. But that doesn't mean it's a permanent rotation down to the lows of the day or to the data lows. But I think a lot of people are looking at that trade. So we could see momentum to the upside. We could see momentum to the downside. Four seconds. Ding, ding, ding. Wow, that filled quickly. Usually Bulenox doesn't fill quickly. I gotta get out of that one. Try again. Good news is I got a better price. Hope they don't clip me twice. A little bit of a battle. I think the bulls are going to win the battle. First minute is up. We break the high or the low of the first minute candle. Yeah, now we're going towards the low. But open is volatile. Anything can happen. Buyers keep pushing it. All right, let's get one more 8 points here. There we go. That was good. That was nice. That's the first trade of the day in the books. We wait for the next one. The next one, believe it or not, is a down wrinkle bar. I can even put it in. The first one, when we break the price channel to the upside, if we're on the right side of the moving average bars, the first one is a good trade. It's a low risk trade because there's likely continuation coming. Not sure. Yeah, definitely long. The opening drive went long. That's interesting. Now we're butting heads up into the... didn't fill me. Okay, I took a little piece out. That helps. I'll wait. See if I can get filled at a little bit better price. Fighting for price. Yeah, I'm not crazy about this trade anyways. There we go. I missed it, unfortunately. But I'm not crazy about it because we're butting up into previous day's high. So You can not only see a rotation lower, but a very quick rotation lower. So every day we seem to be up against something, eh? Either the VWAP is right up against the previous day's close. We're near it. We're struggling. Now we're going to struggle near previous day's high till we get above it. Or trade lower towards VWAP, because when we're far extended from VWAP, I find that price finds a way to go back to it. Okay, let's see, now we're going to break the US session lows. Maybe. Boop. That is the algo going short. Oh boy. Do I go short with the algo? How about just for a 2-lot? If I can get it there, that's a better price. Ah, you didn't film me. There we go. That's a better price. You kidding me? You're giving me 60 bucks on a 2-lot? I'll take it. Nice extension. And 21, it looks like the algo's, no, didn't close, did it close it out? No, didn't close it out. It didn't cross that blue line. It has to cross the blue line. Ah, shit, I tried to get in for a 1-lot. That would have been good. Would have been another almost instant $30, $40. Clicked on the wrong spot. It was a delayed reaction. Okay, the algo's going to pull out a good trade on its first trade. Looky, looky, 4 seconds, catching a lot more. Seriously, wow, that was a spectacular trade. The day I decide to trade conservative and small because I have to leave early to go to the dentist is the day the algo fucking crushes it. The one day of the week I took it off my account. What can you do? Okay, looking for the next sell trade. The algo's not going to take a trade for a while. That could have been a trade there. Missed it. Take a 1-lot. Take a 1-lot, and if it goes, and I get a bearish candle on the top step chart, I'll add. If I get one more bullish candle here, oh, it's true, I'm supposed to add a second one. Then I'm out. Come on, trade lower, trade lower. Let's go, sellers. I should put in a stop. Oh, come on, take me out. There we go. Saved a little money on that trade. Next trade, I'm watching topstep charts. Oh, no, it's true. There also. Across into the opposite PC. Okay, so the next trade down is, next continuation down is a potential trade. Hope it works out. Let's check the algo. The algo has to get up around 20,110 before it switches bias. It'd be kind of cool if I could watch both the charts. We're breaking higher, really? One more candle. Higher on the top step. Let's go, let's go. So now my bias changes to bullish. Once that candle forms, the higher time frame. Rinka charts are also bullish. I need a full bar over the bands to switch bias. That's my indicator. So for this band, this bar touches, there you go. Okay, the bias is switched. It's crazy how the markets do that, eh? They run higher, they run lower, they run higher. I'd love to know the inner workings of that. Okay, I need a retrace.
Trade on the floor, learn to trade and so much more.
That's funny. Let's get over the let's get over the high today. Of course. Okay, we got a bullish fair value gap. Hopefully see some extension to the upside. Push. Push. Yeah, 20,100 is temporarily holding us back. I think we're going to break the high of the previous candle. And go trade out to that. Hey, where's my volume? And go up. What's your bias? The bias is long. It's super long if we can get over the previous day's high. Super long. Let's get over 20,100. Good morning. Yeah, looking at the 15-minute chart, I got a little time here. I mean, you've seen my analysis. First, I look at what we did to the Asian session. We only broke the highs of the Asian session. That's bullish. Next, we're above the close. We're above VWAP. We're trading near London session highs. If we get over the previous day's high, it's kind of all blue sky to the left side. So that's about as bullish as you can get. We just got to get over the previous day's high and hold. So watching that. And trading my only trading. I got to go to the dentist today. I'm leaving at 11. So, and I woke up with a headache. So I'm only trading my Bulenox account. I didn't even put the, what a mistake. I didn't even, oh, hold on, there's a trade. Oh, great, I put my hand on the wrong fucking mouse. Let's just take a piece out because I got in late. Yeah, what a shame I didn't put my, if I would have put the, it's the first day of the week I didn't apply the algo to my account. The first trade, it made $1,000. An explosive trade for the algo. What else is new, eh? How it always works out that way. Friggin' dentist. Anyway, c'est la vie. Delicious. You have any trades you're looking at with chip on the horizon? Short, long? I would predict what chip was thinking short near the US session highs. Yeah, it's not streaming today. Or he's just coming in late. Okay, let's go see what we have over here. Oh, that was a long. That was a long. We can take a short on the first. On the first bullish candle, we can go short, even though I just said my bias was long. As you can see, I don't marry my bias. I just go with the float. But the way we're trading sideways here, 100 points down, 3 minutes later, 100 points up, 5 minutes later, another 100 points down. I won't say I'm playing with fire, but let's go, push lower. I'll have to get out if it... Let's get down into the low 70s. Let me see 75 bid. 77, 75. I'll take a small piece out because I'm not crazy about it. Oh, almost stopped me out. If it does stop me out, I think I'm going to just mark it out. I don't want to mess with trying to get in on the bid and then have it fly away from me. Okay, let's see where it goes. Take a look at the algo. The algo's still short. Well, the chart froze there for a minute. That was weird. That was weird. I have to check my task manager. Yep, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Okay, this is the same trade as before. Let's hope one of them works. When you look in hindsight, they all seem to work. So we got to break the lows again. There we go. And there we go. Excellent. Excellent. Well, that's weird. I can't open Chrome anymore. Strange. So it's only the first one I can take when we cross the price channel, not the second one. Wow, everything is converted to short. Look at that. Let's see, we're going to go trade towards VWAP, 19,980. It's not that far away. That would be a good target. Or do we rocket up another 100 points now? That's to be the third time we break the US session. No, the second time we break the US session lows by what? 7 points. And then we reverse course. Come on. Go higher, you know you want to. 80, 76, only 4 points. I should get more than that. I should get 7 points. 7 points is a decent target. Sometimes when you hit sell ask though, it just, there's going to be another momentum push up. Kind of feel it. Taking a long time to go, given that there's that bullish fair value gap there. I'm assuming we're going to run. I'm getting out. So all you longs can benefit from my mistake. See? There we go. I remember a guy, he said, before you click the button, count to 10. Get up to 20,100. Every little bit that I had. And curious to see when the algo is going to go long again, though. Oh, still short bias, eh? Okay. Well, we're not really running lower. Kind of trading sideways. Sideways in a 100-point range. And given the look of this chart, I'm guessing a lot of people are going to start shorting around 20,120 again. I'm guessing. Looking for a long. 62, around 76, I'm guessing, somewhere in that area. But that can be negated very quickly. Like 4 points lower. And I'm almost not looking for longs anymore. Hey, good morning. I was checking your channel again. It was empty. Where's the Joker? Joker's hiding in the Batcave. Looks like I'm going to get along. I'm not too eager about it. Maybe I'll just do a 2-lot. But I'm going to take it. Just starting up. Yeah, I'm leaving early. I got to go to the dentist today. Cutting out soon. So just trading my, hey, take a look. Bulenox, my master account, up to 24. And in one trade, the fucking algo crushed it at 1,042. And I didn't apply it to my account because I'm leaving early for the dentist. So I didn't want to apply it to my account. And fucking I missed the most incredible trade on the algo. Ten o'clock in 1 minute. So take my hand off the mouse for the minute. I like 10 o'clock to pass without me taking a trade. I don't need to disable the algo though, because it's on a sim account. If it was on my live account, I would disable it. Next trade is still long right now, as we stand. If we can get there, we got there, but I'm gonna hold off. Maybe I'll get a better price. Was hearing chatter about Rips blowing up 10 PA accounts at once. Ah, big deal. He gets them for free. The guy posts numbers that are like ridiculous. Plus 59,000. Plus, yeah, he's got 10 more already. He's got them back. Plus 68,000 every day. I don't know where he's pulling those numbers out from, but pretty damn impressive. I want to try it one more time. A 2-lot. I pulled out 20 bucks like, no. Okay, take me out. I could have had it. It went too quick. I pulled out 20 bucks, I think, 2 times in a row. I tried for 3 times. On a 2-lot. Look, I would have gotten it. Looky. What can you do? Well, it was a legitimate long trade. I just didn't want to sit through. Yeah. No, that's all he does, really. He's an, I don't know what word to use, but, and I can't say it's all he does because I don't watch him that much. It's true. Let me be careful with my words and not just talk out of my ass. Not because I just don't like when people do that, you know. So I'm not going to become that person. From what I've seen, though, from what I watched, I didn't understand his process except just kind of random entries and aggressive size and adding. It really just looked like he didn't care. Like he just gets the accounts for free, or he's making so much damn money he can afford to put in $600-700 a day into the accounts. And trading like that, you get to show super large numbers and impress people when it works. And when it doesn't work, you're out some money. I don't know. I was talking to someone. I don't think they're paying him those numbers. Rips. I don't think they're paying him those numbers. Yeah, Joker, I can't get the audio on your channel today, so I can't open up a browser on my computer for some strange reason. It brings my CPU to 100. I don't know why. I gotta see what's going on with my browser now. And my cell phone's upstairs, and I don't feel like going to go get it, so I won't be hearing you. It'll be consider me lights out for today. I'll type. Yeah, but I can't even type back. My laptop's very far away. It's a one-way conversation. Okay, we broke through the U.S. session highs. Sorry, previous day's highs. Looking for continuation trades to the upside. Hit the like button, guys, if you can. Get those numbers up. Go take a walk over to the Joker Trades. Take a look, see what he's looking at. You just have a mouse to click. Yeah, basically. I'm so stressed about my dentist visit, you can't believe it. I hate dentists. Oh shit, gonna get a long trade, wonderful, right under the previous day's high. We didn't even get a close over the previous day's high on the 1 minute chart. So, if you have a reason not to take a trade, don't take the trade. I'm not taking the trade. I'll suck on my teeth. There's the entry, long at 116. Let's see. Well, I already would have taken a partial. That's 7 points. I mean, it's a good place for a long. If we blast through, it's going to be a nice move, a nice strong move up, which is what I'm thinking we're going to do anyways. But I got to get into the habit of respecting my rules, and I can always take the next continuation trade once we get over the previous day's high cleanly. Well, there we got the close. Didn't break the US session highs, but we got over the previous day's high. Closed above it on the 1 minute candle, and we're back inside. Back under. Oh! Oh shit, it's another long. It's another long. I think it's a dangerous long. I'll take it for a one lot. And only if I can get my price, which would be under the bearish candle here. Oh, that's a long. Okay, I'll take it. Probably regret it. Lightened up. 32, we're looking for 39 bid. It can go quickly. We do have 2 consecutive closes over the previous day's high, yesterday's high. So we're holding above now. Only thing we're missing is a candle with space without touching the previous day's high. And then it's up and away. Maybe. Only a theory. Oh, look. Looky. I could have gone long at 25 again. 26, 25. I'll try at 25. See if I can pull 20 bucks out of this. Watching closely. Come on. Rip it higher. Rip it for rips. Uh, 281, is that even accurate? The commissions are weird. Oh, that's true. I wanted to see what a Bulenox commission is. Let me do a one lot. 281.38. Right, that's what it's showing. I'll wait for a long at a decent price. Yeah, I'll go over here. 281.38. That's funny, it wasn't much. 280.77. Seemed like it was more than that. Anyways, whatever. we're going to make a move. We're going to make a move. I think it's going to be a momentum move too. That's what I think. That's what I think, but I don't have an entry, so I can't jump in on it. I can maybe take a one lot at 25 if we can get down to 25, 27, 28, 29, 27. Oh, 25, there we go. I'll take a one lot. 25, 32, 34. That's it. That's good enough for me. That's 8 points on a one lot little scalp. Keeping myself busy. Hey, maybe we'll get 25 again. 29. We'll try it again. Rinse and repeat. No, there we go. There's the move. That's what I was hoping actually would happen when I was in on it at 25. Well, honestly, I'll go in for one lot because the probability of this coming back is very low. $298 on my Bulenox account. That's good. I like 300 a day. I hit my daily loss limit of 400 on this account. When was it? Would it be Friday today? On Wednesday, I think. They're so important, those daily loss limits. Probably gonna get another long setup, and you know shit what I didn't do? I didn't check the algo. The algo's gonna get a long trade, I'm pretty certain yet. Well, I can't say it's gonna get a long trade. It's potentially gonna get a setup for a long trade. So my new DLL on the 50K accounts is daily loss limit, update and block, save, lock for today. $275. That's more than enough. I think if I lose $275 in the 50K account, trading 2 lots and 3 lots, I should stop for the day. Come back tomorrow. Oh shit. Oh well, missed that one. Yeah, you know what I need? I need this chart up somewhere all the time. Duplicate in new window. Since I don't watch the 5-minute charts that much, nope, I know what I'm going to do. Template. Save as. 1 minute black. 1 minute white. I'll go. Save. Yes. I'll just load it on my 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart, white algo, load. I mean, not on my 5-minute chart, but where my 5-minute chart is, because I don't reference it too often. At least this way I could see it all the time. I don't have to switch back and forth, because you know what? The switching is making me miss trades. And that's not good. 2248 target. Looks bullish. Are you done for the day? OFT? Yeah, definitely. That's what I said. If we get over the previous day's high and we hold, we're doing. Oh, look at you. Should I ask? Should I ask? I'll let you tell me if you want. I won't even ask. You know what? Maybe I should close it down also for the day. I gotta leave anyway soon. I'm at my 300 for my master account in Bulenox. Need to protect myself from myself. Wow. If there ever was a statement that applies to me, that's one of them. I need to protect myself from myself. I should tattoo that on my hand even. Yeah. Well, markets don't deliver for our strategies all the time. That would be too easy. Some days are good, some days aren't. That's assuming we're following our process. Do you have any tattoos? No, I don't. I just have birthmarks. Trading strategies work okay, but testing new sizing thing. Yeah, I'm thinking about that too. I'm gonna get to that next week. But not too aggressive. Yeah. I need to protect myself from myself. I have a few quotes like that. Another one, the monster is within, and there was even a speech by Arnold Schwarzenegger. How he doesn't use the word the devil is inside, is between your two ears. I don't know what word he uses, but anyways, that's basically the thinking. The obstacles are all made by yourself inside your brain. I'll have to explore that with ChatGPT. Why do humans make stupid decisions? Like right now, you want to know a stupid decision? You know why I'm not closing down? Because I'm at 298.72 and I want to get to 300. That's $1.28. And if it doesn't work out for me, I'll end up risking the whole $300. Maybe even more. Oh, nice to stop at a new room. Yeah. It's funny. It's such a balance between the right size and too aggressive. Because if I get a little too large, rotate. Yeah, rotate is one option. But if you get a little too large, or me, not you. When I get a little too large, I stop wanting. Yeah, have a nice weekend, OFT. You earned it. I stop taking my. I don't respect my stops because the loss gets too large, and I don't want to take a loss that large. Or I feel like the account's ruined. The loss, that it's just too big of a loss. That's why for my funded accounts, $275 is the daily loss limit. That's put in. But I don't put it in on all my evals. See ya. Take care. OFT. I don't put it in on all my evals, but you just can't get too aggressive. I think the magic number is somewhere around 10 to 20% of what they allow you in size, at least with Apex. So if Apex allows you, let's say on the 50K account, they allow you 10 minis or 100 micros, 10 to 20%. Max, you shouldn't go over 20 micros, and that's like super duper aggressive. But even 20 micros, my scalping, my stops can go to, let's say, 14 points. 28, that's $560. Like at that point, my brain starts telling me, oh my God, now I have to make $3,560 to get the target, and I only have a $2,000 stop. It's almost 2 to 1, forget it, and then I go for 100 micros and blow the account. So yeah, it's definitely a balancing act. Okay, I got an entry here. I'll take it for a 1 lot. And I will stop out if that happens. And I will not add. The stop is at 18. 10 points. Ouch. Okay, there. 303.50. I could leave. I got my pass to leave. Yeah. Okay, so I got some work to do and I gotta leave in like 40 minutes. Hopefully I'll come back with some teeth in my mouth. And I'll see you guys maybe Sunday night. I'll stream, but probably not Sunday night. We have a family dinner. If not, then it will be Monday morning, 9:15. Hit the yeah, you know what I'm doing right now? I'm saying I just almost caught myself telling myself, okay, close down the stream and take a large trade and try to really push it. No, I'm going to close down the stream and I'm going to close. You know what? I'm going to close down my platform before I close down the stream. F off with these stupid mistakes. That always hurts me. Positions. Flatten everything. There we go. Bye-bye. No more trading. Okay, with that being said, thanks for showing up. Hit the subscribe, hit the like button. I'll see you guys probably Monday morning. Take care.